Okay, right. You can see what is Oracle Financial. Okay. So this is so there is a concept of multi-organization. So one organization, it's having one business. Okay, for example. Okay. For example, we have a company called Tata Groups. So what I know is TCS. Okay, TCS is one line of business, one company, correct? In India. So we know that TCS in worldwide having many company, many branches. In India itself, it is having many branch. In one city, it is having many branch, many. Okay. So that is called one organization. So multi-organization. So TCS, so Tata is having many business. He is having manufacturing, steel manufacturing is doing the salt. Tata Salt is coming and Tata Tea. So variety of business, variety of thing. Multiple organization. How to fix in a single installation, single group. That is called ERP. Okay. Okay. So multi-org. That is called multi-org. How you fix everything into one business. Okay, so that the basic thing of any ERP we'll see, right? So first we call business group. Business group, what I told, it is the name of the business. For example, Tata Group, ledger, business group, legal entity, operating unit, like that. One by one, I'll explain you. Okay, right. So among this, if you see. One minute. You can see the Excel.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay. So you know the basic of accounting, right? Yeah. If you see what is a sales journal, we'll do in a basic +1 thing, right? So we'll create debit
And credit.
Okay, cash for a sales. What I'll do, debit what comes in cash data and sales creditor, correct? This is what you do. So I am doing in same Tata. I am doing a sales in USA for software. Okay. So how you know as a owner I sold wherever only narration you can write, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So narration I'm writing sales made in USA. Like that, if you worldwide business, if you write, how will you track? And it is made in USD currency, correct? So this is what will make a journal. You will write a currency, you will write date. This is what a typical journal entry we learned first, correct?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Now I'll come to how ERP is capturing it, how Oracle Financial or release anything. Okay. So first it captures calendar. Okay.
Okay.
Next, it is called chart of account. All the details here it is capturing in chart of accounts. Currency. So if in India it will be INR, US it is USD. Okay. So tell me, if it is having a branch in UK, what will be the thing?
Pound, sterling pound.
Pound. So you think calendar won't change? So in US it is Jan to December. They are following, right? Financial year.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me for India.
April to March.
April to March, exactly. So we are following April to March. So there is a change here.
Yes, sir.
And there is a change here. Correct? So what do you call in this example? A change in a 1C. They call 4C. Okay. Calendar, chart of account, currency. 3C. Fourth C is accounting convention. Okay. C will take from the second. Accounting convention, what you also will follow what method of accounting? We are following accrual method, right?
Yes, sir.
Here they can follow cash method of accounting. You know the difference between cash and accrual?
So accrual is, I believe it's the other way around. Accrual is when we are about to get the income or incur any expenses. For example, in India, what I learned for finance was uh, we do not need to take into consideration any future incomes, but we need to take into consideration the future losses. But in US, they take into consideration the future income as well.
Okay. So basic difference, what is accrual? So today is 20th of September. I am raising a sales invoice to a customer. I will receive money after 30 days. That is 20th of October. Okay.
Yes.
So I receive only 20th of October. That is also not sure, right?
Yes.
And in that scenario, I want to book the sales today. That is accrual. So accrual means you estimate a revenue will come future, but I am booking the sales 1 lakh. What is cash
Okay.
method? As and when I receive only, I'll book. I'll book only on 20th October, whenever I receive in my cash. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, this is also ERP capturing. That is 4C. So what Oracle is telling, release 12, if any change in 1C, then you have to create one more ledger. That is called secondary ledger. Okay.
Mhm.
This is primary ledger. So you can accommodate as many secondary ledger 1, 2, 3. The
Okay.
more and more it go, more and more complicated. Okay. So everything will be attached to the primary ledger. So this is the basic concept. So you know the 4C now. Okay.
Mhm.
Now I'll come to what are the modules in Oracle. We'll see Oracle Financial. So we have general ledger is the base module, AP, asset module, cash management or bank, AR. Okay. These are the 5 models we are going to learn. GL is the main thing where the setups is going to happen. And
Mhm.
you know the journal entry will create budgeting and some reports. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one time setup, the ledger creation or something. So after that journal, everything imported from other mode. Accounts payable. Accounts payable, you will see invoices, payments,
Yes, sir.
assets, fixed assets, how to buy, sale, depreciation, etc.
Mhm.
Okay. That one. And then what is that? Cash management is for reconciliation and everything.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Monthly guarantee.
Yes, BRS and cash forecasting, everything you will do.
Mhm.
And then what else you have? These are the 5
AR.
modules, AR, receipt, everything. So
Mhm.
these are the 5 modules we have, correct?
Okay.
Okay. Then, okay. So ERP means all modular interrelated. We have human resource. There is a different consultant. They cannot work independently. Okay.
Mhm.
What is human resource doing? Some employee joining is getting a salary when they process payroll. Okay.
Yes.
HRM's process payroll monthly. It has to be paid through AP, right? Payment done only here, AP. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So what happens here? Employee will create it automatically as a supplier and you will be paid. So it processed through GL. GL is the trial balance we can see, right? The ultimate final one. And here order management. Order management is a SCM module. Order management, supply chain management, okay,
Mhm.
and inventory. These are all supply chain. These are all not finance, but it is interlinked. When you create sales order, it has to come to AR invoice, correct? Then
Okay.
it goes to GL. When you create purchase order, it has to come to AP and it has to go to GL, right?
Okay.
So this is the process of the ERP. Okay. And initially I told multi-org, correct?
Mhm.
Please 1 minute. Okay.
Sure.